Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, December 5th, 2016. It's currently 9 a.m. and the precipitation from earlier this morning is exiting the region rather quickly, and we'll be out of here by 10 a.m. Temperatures throughout the area range from the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s in your suburbs, and lower to mid 40s in the urban areas and along the coast. Temperatures were a bit warmer than forecasted along the coast, leading to mostly rain falling for the region. Again, only a trace of snow is expected, an inch at most on cold surfaces along the coast. But with those temperatures being warmer, it was expected to be 35 to 39, ended up being 39 to 42. So as a result, you ended up with no accumulation, even though some snow was in the air. Further north, we had about 1 to 2 inches of snow in the colder environment, and now that precipitation is gone, tranquil weather conditions can be expected the rest of the day, and anything that did fall is going to be melted by the time we get to this afternoon, with temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s to the north of the major cities, and lower to mid 50s along the coast. On the radar, you can see that precipitation is rapidly exiting. Some lingering showers over portions of eastern Long Island and central and eastern Connecticut will exit out of the area by 10 a.m. and dry conditions will be in place for the rest of the day into tomorrow morning before another round of rain and possibly a little bit of snow mixed in can be expected for tomorrow evening on through early Wednesday morning. We're going to keep a very careful eye on portions of northeastern Pennsylvania with this precipitation setting up for tomorrow night. And take a look at the infrared satellite picture. That first wave with the trough is exiting the region. We're watching this low pressure system next. What's going to happen with this low pressure system is that it's going to track up through the Ohio River Valley, but then it's going to run into this high pressure system to the north here that's going to act like kind of a block, which is going to lead to this low pressure system redeveloping around the Delmarva Peninsula and heading east-northeast into the Atlantic. By doing that, it allows enough cold air to linger at the mid-levels to possibly produce a mix of rain and snow over the interior, especially over northeastern Pennsylvania, the Hudson River Valley, and northwestern Connecticut. At this time, not looking for accumulation as surface temperatures look to be a bit warm for accumulation, but we'll watch that very carefully as a little bit colder air and a little bit shift to the southeast, and that could lead to a accumulating snowfall of 1 to 2 inches of snow rather than pretty much a rain event. So we're watching that very carefully as more data comes in throughout the day. So we'll dive into this forecast. For today, everybody starts to clear out. Temperatures start to rise into the lower to mid 50s along the coast, upper 40s to lower 50s over the interior. For this evening, look for scattered cloud cover. Temperatures will fall into the mid to upper 30s for lows as high pressure locks in over portions of the St. Lawrence River Valley. Now here comes our low pressure system lifting north. By the afternoon evening hours, a new low pressure system takes shape off of the Delmarva Peninsula and to the north of North Carolina. This low pressure system will move to the east-northeast. Again, notice pretty much rain for most locations, but keep an eye on the far northern interior, say northeastern Pennsylvania around Scranton, to the north of Poughkeepsie. We could see a little bit of a wintry mix in northwestern Connecticut as well. The rest of Connecticut looks like it's going to be rain. This is going to be a very, very marginal event. All right, at several levels of the atmosphere, there is some cold air, but it's incredibly marginal, and it won't take much, just 1 degree of error as far as warming to end up just being plain rain. So we'll watch this very carefully as the storm lifts to the east-northeast. Temperatures on Tuesday will range from the mid to upper 30s for lows, highs in the mid 40s, so definitely a chilly day. By Wednesday, that low pressure system exits, but an Arctic cold front is on the way. Look for clearing skies by the time we get to the afternoon, more broken cloud cover, low temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s, high temperatures in the lower to mid 50s. On Thursday, that Arctic cold front marches through the region, and when it does, you're going to feel it. Watch out for a few showers mixing with snow as this cold front leaves. Low temperatures in the lower to mid 30s, high temperatures in the lower to mid 40s ahead of the cold front, but temperatures will be falling through the 30s and into the 20s in the afternoon and evening hours with a gusty wind, so it's going to feel much colder. And by Friday, high pressure will be in control, but watch out for some lake effect snow showers, lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the upper 30s to lower 40s. On Saturday, high pressure remains in control with clear skies. Could be a few snow flurries mixed in there. Lows in the mid to upper 20s, highs in the upper 30s to lower 40s. And on Sunday, high pressure starts to exit the region. We'll have lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the lower mid 40s. Then we have another clipper that's going to be on the way for Monday that's going to lead to some increasing clouds and showers by the time we get to the evening as this low pressure system rapidly lifts to the northeast and this low pressure system follows. This cold front will move through by the time we get to the late evening hours. So again, look for a few scattered showers, increasing clouds, lows in the lower to mid 30s, highs in the mid to upper 40s, and then more Arctic air is on the way to follow. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather. We'll keep an eye on that wintry mix threat for the interior by the time we get to tomorrow evening. But otherwise, overall, we need this rain, so thankfully we're going to get it. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.